Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jocy here again, and on today's video I will be doing a review, and it is about the Galaxy lamp, Iconntechs Galaxy lamp, which I bought from Amazon for 17 euros and 99 cents. Now it was delivered together with the Galaxy lamp, a wooden stand, and as well as the remote control, a manual, and the charging cable. But there is no adapter that goes along with it. Normally, a lot of company never send the adapter together with the cable charger. But nowadays, I don't think it should be a problem because we are in a new generation where there's a lot of adapter like scattered everywhere in our home, at least in my case, because I have so many gadgets, so it was not a problem for me at all. Now the remote control which goes along with it is ready for you to use. The battery is already installed in it. You just have to remove the protective plastic out of the battery, or just simply slip it out, and then you could just simply turn it on. Look, and if you have noticed, the remote control is very easy for you to use. There's on and off, and the color represents the color of the lamp which you wanted. So if I wanted to have it red, green for example, or even blue, then that is basically very available. Now if I wanted to have a little bit lighter, then I just have to simply click on white balance, it's W, and then aside from that, if I am in the mood for party, then I could just simply click on flash. There is strobing, fade, and smooth. And if you could see, every line has 3 different or 5 different setting of colors, and a total of 15 different types of colors is simply you could pick. I think there's plenty for you to choose from. Now if you know me, although there is this small manual which will give you some instruction how you should use it and what are the different types of basically setting. Let me turn that off and I'll show you another feature also. Now again, going back to the manual, if you know me, I am not reading the manual unless I have no control of it and I don't know where to start or what to do with it, or if it is too delicate. But in this case, I consider this to be a very simple product which is very easy for you to navigate. Therefore, I don't really need it. However, only thing which I didn't know at first before reading the manual is that you could just simply like touch this and then it should turn this on. Can you see that? I was never actually touching the remote control by doing that. So if you have it in your sleeping room and you wanted to have some light on, just simply touch it and then it will activate. Now charging time would approximately gonna last for 1 to 2 hours, at least in my case when I first charged it. And then I have never tried using it for the maximum of 12 hours, but as per the manual, they said you could use it up to 12 hours depending on your usage. Of course, if you're doing a lot of party, a lot of lights on the background, then of course maybe the battery will not last that long, but you might want to give it a try though. Now in my case, I am so impressed of this lamp. I love it, I like it. I think this is one of the best gifts children could have, or even at my age. I still like it. If you wanted to have like a complementary light, which I want in my case, especially if I am vlogging, for sure you are going to see this all the time. Can you see that? It will not bounce, so don't drop it. I'm not sure if it'll break though, because it looks like it is a very massive plastic to me. It is 3D printed, guys. So tell me what you think about this lamp. Do you like it too? Do you have it? Maybe there are some features which I have not tried yet. Please feel free to leave your comment down below. If you do like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, and Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and like that notification. Click that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I uploaded new videos. You'll get notification if I have uploaded new videos. That's a good thing, so you won't be behind about what is happening around my video channel. So until then, you guys have fun watching. Bye.